Hey everyone, Kris here from Easil. Welcome to another DIY design tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to create this cool video style Polaroid graphic using some of Easil's awesome features like shape mask, graphic elements and free new fonts, and show you how to add your own video or image into the design. Let's get started. I'm going to start with a blank canvas, so go to Easil templates and select a story size and create from blank. Go to Elements and click on a shape mask. Type in Polaroid to see the options available. Let's choose this one. Shape masks allow you to drop images or videos into unique shapes like circles, scribbles, and other elements that are combined, like this Polaroid example. Now I want to drop in my video. You can use images or videos that you have uploaded to your library, but I'm going to drop in a new one from my desktop. Drag the file from your desktop and drop it onto the sidebar, and it will load into either your images or your video library like this. You can then double click on the video in the shape mask to position it how you want. Once you're happy, click crop. Now I want to select a background color. So click on the icon and scroll down to the color picker. I'll position it over the video to get an exact color match. In this case, I'll use a dark blue from her shirt. Let's add in the text. Click text in the sidebar. I'm going to change it to pink so it stands out against the dark background. And choose one of my favorite free fonts, Tangular. I'll add in the rest of the heading text, make it white and change it to Livic Black, which pairs really well with the heading font. And I'll update the copy. Now I'll add in the text for the team member, duplicate the heading text and make it black. I can update the text styling even within the same text box, so I'll change the font and adjust the size and line spacing. Let's add in some more elements to the design. I'll go to Images and search for paper, and drop this behind the Polaroid. I can either use layers like this by dragging them down in the list to move further back, or dragging them up to move to the front, or I'll just right click and center back. Then I can rotate and enlarge to fit. I'll do the same thing and find some tape. This is a super tip. If I adjust the opacity of the tape, it makes it look realistic. For the background, I'll add a grid pattern from my elements. Make sure it snaps to the center of the canvas. I'll change it to white and drop the opacity. Then I'll right click and send it to back to. Let's add some stickers to get maximum effect. Go to Elements, select Stickers, and add this green starburst. Then duplicate and position it. Last is to add our CTA, or call to action. So you could leave room for a link sticker and just type click link to read more. Let's tidy up the design by selecting all the elements and using the Elements Align tool from the action bar above, let's click Align Center. Press play and see your design come to life. To download your file, click Download in the sidebar, select MP4 and hit Download. Now it's ready to post everywhere. So that's how we create this awesome Polaroid style graphic using some of Easil's amazing new features like shape mask, elements and fonts, and how you add your own video or images into the design. Check out our other YouTube videos for design hacks. Drop any questions in the comments below. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the content, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you get notified every time we post a new video. Thanks heaps for watching.